this exercise I will show you how to do the unsupervised classification by using multispectral image. Before going to the exercise, I got to show what you meaning of the unsupervised classification. Unsupervised classification is nothing but as a cluster. We got to find the spectral classes from the multispectral image. It will doing system itself doing the unsupervised classification. For example, this is a multispectral satellite image of thematic mapper. Here we have the 5 spectral band we are extracted from the multispectral images like commercial, residential, crop, forest and pasture. This training site itself automatically generating from the satellite image by the classification method. Then finally itself we are classifying from the multispectral image. Okay, let's go for the ArcGis, how I perform this multispectral unsupervised classification by the extracting the land use land cover. Okay, I am removing this. This one is ICONOS data, high resolution satellite image. It's showing the settlement. These are the vegetated area, these are the ground and some kind of road, linear picture, everything available. We got to do the land use land cover class. I selected 5 class from the satellite image for classifying the image. Okay, let's do what is the procedure for the unsupervised classification. First you got to check it from the for customize extension. You got to click it spatial analyst, then close it, then here right click. You got to click the image classification. If you click the image classification, this window will be appear. Okay, this one is image. This one is training sample manager. This is a drawing polygon. We got to drawing the polygon, we got to use this tool. Okay, let's do the unsupervised classification. From this classification menu, just click and then just select the isocluster unsupervised classification. Just click it. Okay, already we got to get the ICONOS image. I need to classify 5 classes. Then this is output directory you go to save. Then interval must be 20 and 10. Then I got to give the OK. Now the isocluster unsupervised classification is running in the background of the window. After that, this is already classified, unsupervised classified from the ICONOS image. Now here I got to change the land use land cover. Change the name. Land use land cover. Then apply it. Then OK. Then we got to give the names. What are the classes from the image? We got to give it. We take this first class. If you go to the first class, you can able to see that these are the vegetation. Okay, right click properties, go to the symbology. Here type the vegetation. Then go to the second class. We look at the second class is red. red one is it, we can show in the small patches. It may be a agriculture land. Then change it agriculture. Then third one be apply. Third will be vacant land. There is no spectral signature, it all are vacant land. Then click it. Vacant land. This stone is apply it. Look this stone. You can see all are looking like a grassland. These all are grassland. Then fifth one is built up land. Then apply it. Okay, you can see these all are built up land. These all are built up land. Okay, after the classification we already completed the land use land cover map of the study area. We can open it, right click, open it button. How much, what are the classes, how much pixel present in the each class, you can calculate it. Then we go to edit, how to edit the signature. This one is signature editing field. Suppose I want to edit the signature of the built up land. You go to just digitize it. This is a built up land. Okay, so go to the second signature, red. This is agriculture. Third signature is the green, vacant land. Then fourth signature is grassland. Then fifth signature is vegetation. This one is vegetation. Okay, let's do, we want to know about the what is the histograms. You have to select all the land use land cover land classes and just click it. It will show you the what is the histogram. What is the histograms present? First one is this one is agriculture. This one is grassland. This one is built up land. Suppose we want to change the order, you go to do like this. Then suppose you want to show the statistic of the land cover classes, just click it. It will show in the what is the statistic built up agriculture, vacant and vacant grassland, vegetation. It will show in all the statistic, what is the mean, minimum, maximum, the covariance, standard deviation value. It can be shown. Okay, then how you go to make a layout here. Here this tool, you go to make a zoom it. Here you go to type land use land cover. By using unsupervised classification. Okay. Go to reduce the font size. Then give the legend. Then give the north arrow. Then give the scale. After that you go to file, export now, save it to desktop. LULC, then save it. Already exported into the desktop. Thank you for watching my video.